Hi, David from Rapid here. Today we're going to mount one of our hose hangers onto our brick wall. So I'm going to take you through the steps how you can do it easily. Let me take you through the tools that we need. We don't need a whole heap for this one. We've got our eye protection, we've got our spirit level and pencil or marker pen for marking up the wall, tape measure, we've got our 6mm wall plugs, we've got a Phillips head driver bit on our impact driver, and I've got a 6mm masonry drill bit on our hammer drill. So the first thing we do is work out where we want to place our hose hanger. I'm going to pop it up here, and I'm just going to make a mark for the height that I want my hose hanger to sit. So now I'm just going to mark up the level. So we'll grab our spirit level on our mark, get it nice and level, and then just run a line across the wall where we want it to sit. So the next step is I'm going to pop this on the line that I've placed on the wall, and I'm going to mark each of the holes with my marker pen. Nice and level. The next step, we're going to drill our first hole. I've just marked 35mm on my drill bit because we've got 30mm wall plugs, and it just gives that little bit of extra movement or space at the end of the hole. So position our drill, just start off gently, just to mark the hole, and then away we go. The good thing to do before you drill your next holes is just check that the positions you've marked the others line up with the first hole that you've drilled. So just line it up, check that your holes are in the right position that you've marked, and once you've done that, good to go. So once we've checked that, we can go ahead and drill our next two holes. Now we can just pop our plugs into the holes. Should just nice and easily push in. Now we can fit off each of the screws and just put them in about halfway. Some of our hose hangers will have either a keyhole or just a straight out 6mm hole. So I'm just going to show you the difference when you're mounting this one. Marking out the holes and drilling the holes is exactly the same, but what you'll do this time is just drill straight through the hole into your wall plug. Now we can grab our hose hanger and just pop it on the fixings and fit off each of the screws. Start at the top, and then we can just finish off the other two screws. I've put my hose on my hose hanger, and as you can see, some fairly simple steps. We mark the position where we want it, level it off, drill our holes, pop it on with our fixings, and then hang the hose. There you have it, easy as.